In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can switch to a personal account on Instagram. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram, and you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. On your profile, go ahead and tap those three lines up in the top right corner. And then what you need to do is look for the Your Insights and Tools section, or Account Tools. This is towards the very bottom. It says Account Type and Tools right here. You need to go ahead and select this to open it up. And in this section, you're going to see an insights section, scheduled content, live branded content, stuff like that. What you need to go ahead and do is just hit this switch to, mine says professional account, but it's going to say personal account on here. Go ahead and hit switch to personal account, and Instagram will then warn you that switching to that account is obviously going to lose, all those access to insights, content stats, promotion tools, stuff like that. Go ahead and just confirm by hitting next and next one more time, and just wait for it to finish switching. If it does freeze, simply go ahead and back out of the app and reopen it. But that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.